Hey guys, it's Guns Taco here, and I just got out of the shower, so I've got wet hair. But I thought I'd give you a quick unboxing, if it'll zoom in, of the new iPhone 12 Pro. I actually got this. I wasn't going to get this. I was actually going to keep my iPhone 10 that I've since traded in for that $800 credit. I'm with AT&T. There's one catch with that $800 credit. It's basically it's credit over 30 months. So y'all remember back in the day of 2-year contracts? Well, they're kind of back. They just call it something else. So it's kind of shady. The thing is, I have a really good plan that I've negotiated with AT&T. Like, I legitimately negotiated for a lower phone plan with the promise that I'd get this phone. So T-Mobile and Verizon have pretty competitive options when you think about it. And basically, I nickeled and dimed AT&T until they gave me this for a better price. Well, not the phone, but the plan for a better price. So now I'm on unlimited data for like $60 a month. It's ridiculous. I have a really good deal. But yeah, let's go through the unboxing on this guy. I think I actually have it. I actually already opened this. I've already set it up, so it's kind of like, it's already been unboxed. But here you go. It's as you can tell, it's smaller, so it's less materials being used, supposedly because, you know, the environment and everything, so they don't have to, everyone usually already has those charge bricks and cables and the headphones, so they don't provide it anymore to reduce e-waste, which I kind of agree with, but at the same time, like, if they're taking those things out, then why didn't they take the price out of the phone? Like, I still think it's bullshit how this phone, this is a 256 gigabyte one, which is exactly the same size as my last one. I was gonna get the 512, but I couldn't see paying an extra $200 for just 256 gigabytes more data. And I only used half of it. I have photos for back when I had an iPhone 4. So I've only had iPhones, and I like iPhones. But they say it's for reducing e-waste, but personally, I think that's a bunch of bullshit. And when someone explained to me about, oh, well, they take your old phones and they recycle the metals in it to make newer, better iPhones. Bullshit. Bullshit. I sincerely doubt. I'd have to research this. Don't take my word for it. I sincerely doubt that they're recycling those phones other than repackaging, refurbishing, and reselling them to other people, like replacing the battery into it. So someone's going to get my iPhone 10 later with a new battery in it because it's a perfectly good phone. They'll clean it up, take off the glass screen protector I have on it, and then resell it. I sincerely doubt they're taking the materials out of it to reproduce the newer phones. It's just too expensive to recycle batteries, recycle certain things, and it is just to waste it and just get rid of it and smash it. It's way cheaper to do that than recycle. I guarantee it. Well, okay, I guarantee it, but you could probably think. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing here. So here you go. So you zoom in. Come on, focus. Focus, bitch. There you go. I like the solid tension. You know, like you can pull it off and it just... This is a very... Apple always had a good box. As you can tell, I've already, you know, messed with it. But there you go. There. Unboxed there. There's the phone. This is my own personal background. But as you can see, I'm going to set the phone off to the side. You got the standard, you know, package which has all the documentations, the free sticker and all that other stuff, all the other document. It's got the SD card remover thing, so it's still got that. So that's actually good to keep. Always keep that. That's I mean, you could use other things, but it does come with this, which makes no. This doesn't make any goddamn sense for general purposes. Like, yeah, I understand if you have an iPhone, you might have a Macintosh too, so then you can just plug this in directly to the Mac, so that's kind of convenient. But, you know, like, forcing someone else to get another dongle, like, they clearly said that they think, oh, everyone's already got dongles. Not many people have a Type-C dongle today. It's not a thing that people readily have. Sometimes you still have to buy those, or you may have gotten a recent phone. It completely defeats the purpose of the e-waste bullshit and just makes you charge more money. They're probably getting like a it probably only costs like $5 to make those things, but it's still $5 more that they're not passing on to the consumer. So honestly, I will use this because I do have a MacBook, but other people won't, and this is bullshit. There should, if you're gonna do it, change the connector type from USB, the older USB, then you should provide the dongle with it. This is the first time I think they've done this, if I'm right. Maybe iPhone 11. I didn't buy one. Maybe I'm full of shit there. Anyway, you get that. And then, of course, then you've got the actual phone, which I've got the graphite color. So, one thing I will note about the iPhone 12, that got a little bit of dust on it. That's how good my camera is. This, the graphite looks really cool. I admit it. And that's glass backing still. I just don't, I think on the iPhone 12 Pro, I don't understand the matte finish on the back. I think it should be silver or glass. I think it should be glass. Because, like, when I look at this phone, it reminds me of the perfect meld between an iPhone 4 and the iPhone 5. You remember when the iPhone 5 felt really, really light. I did not like the iPhone 5 when it came to my hand. The iPhone 4 was a tank. I love that phone. And when you put it in, I'm going to put this in an OtterBox Defender, because that's just what I always like, Defender OtterBoxes, because I like different colors. So, like, yeah, this matte finish, like, if I was going to use this phone like this, I would not really like this finish, even if you get a clear case. I don't like the matte finish. That's just me. It's still a good phone, but I personally would prefer a glass back, just like the iPhone 10 was. The iPhone 10 had a glossy back, and I kind of like that better. If I was going to rock that phone with that thing, I will say this is a lot smoother, so it's probably, well, no, it still slides on the desk a lot, but yeah, it looks nice. I will say they got this nice chrome looking finish around the edge of the antenna, and the screen looks great. It's a good screen. I think it's a little bit bigger than the other one. This is the perfect size phone for me. I don't want to get the Max because I don't need a huge phone. If I needed an iPad type thing, then maybe I'd go with the Max. But still, this perfectly fits in my pocket. It'll perfectly fit in the case, and that's a good thing. And I always keep all these boxes. I will say, here's how the box on the inside looks. This is where the cable sat. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the unboxing iPhone 12 Pro. And the reason why we got the graphite one, I was actually going to try to go for the turquoise blue, because that seems like the popular color. I thought it was kind of cool and unique. But now that I've got the graphite, I actually kind of like it. The only reason why I got this was because they were out of stock on the graphite blue, and this one just got shipped to me today on Monday. So I've already traded in my iPhone 10, got the $800 credit, and now I'm on the iPhone 12 Pro. The reason why I upgraded this, I was actually not thinking about upgrading, but because of the $800 credit, and I'm already an AT&T customer, and I'm going to be for the next 2 years anyway, because I have a ridiculously good deal to negotiate. I'll do a follow-up video on that and how you negotiate your cell phone bill, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people are interested in that. I knew my iPhone 10 was on its last legs on the battery. I haven't really looked at repair costs for a battery for an iPhone 10. It's probably anywhere between $100. Really, the difference for me upgrading a battery or replacing this is $300 when you think about it, because I paid the difference up front and I got the $800 credit. So I paid $300 to upgrade my phone to a brand new phone with a new battery, new everything. It's got 5G. That's really the only reason why I upgraded. Otherwise, I wouldn't have, because I already spent an extra $100 on a new case and new glass cover, because I sure as hell. But if I'm paying upwards of $1,200 after tax on a cell phone, you're damn sure I'm going to make sure it's protected. And because if I drop this thing and break it, oh my god, holy shit. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm not a big phone reviewer. I would actually look at other people about reviewing phones. If y'all would like to see me review the phone, I mean, I'll tell you this much: it's an iPhone. It's an iPhone. It's an iPhone with 5G, and it looks nice, and it's brand new, and it's an iPhone. It's going to function like an iPhone. So look at any iPhone review since the iPhone 10, it's the exact same form factor, exact same functionality. It's just it's got 5G. That's it. So, as always, guys, live Gintaku, be Gintaku. See you later, guys.